Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan tuna with chickpeas, the only way. First, let's prepare our main ingredient. Take one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, drain and rinse them very well. Then, using a fork or a potato masher, gently mash the chickpeas. You want a chunky texture, not a smooth paste, so leave some whole for that authentic tuna-like feel. This step is crucial for the right consistency. Now, let's build that delicious flavor profile. To your mashed chickpeas, add 2 generous tablespoons of your favorite vegan mayonnaise. This provides essential creaminess. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of finely chopped celery for a delightful crunch. For a tangy kick, incorporate 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Finish with 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and a small pinch of salt to taste, mixing everything thoroughly. To truly capture that ocean taste, we'll add some key ingredients. Stir in 1 teaspoon of kelp granules or dulse flakes. These provide a subtle, briny flavor without being overpowering. Next, incorporate 1 tablespoon of finely chopped red onion for a pleasant sharpness and texture. Finally, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, about 1/2 teaspoon, will brighten all the flavors and bring everything together beautifully. Mix until well combined. Your delicious vegan chickpea tuna is now ready to enjoy. It's incredibly versatile. Serve it on your favorite bread for a classic sandwich or with crackers for a quick snack. It's also fantastic in fresh lettuce wraps or as a protein-packed salad topping. For the best flavor, I recommend chilling it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This recipe yields approximately 2 generous servings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.